The Exhibitor manual is where all your compulsory forms will be, as well as a portal for registering your team. A full timetable of build-up and breakdown information, access to booking system for voyage control, health and safety documents, insurance information, forms for ordering of electrics, carpeting and other extras for your stand. To get started on your Exhibitor manual, click on the yellow tab on the left-hand side. You'll be greeted with a welcome page which will display your exhibition package and information about your specific stand type. You will also notice that there is a search function at the top of the page where you will be able to search keywords quickly and access the information you are looking for in the manual. For example, if you search traffic booking, the results will pop up here. We advise that you go through the manual in order of the tabs on the left-hand side menu, starting with checklist and forms. Here you will see all the compulsory forms and their completion dates. You must complete these as soon as possible, as failing to do so may mean you will not be allowed on site. If necessary, these may be completed by a subcontractor. You can click here to add your contractor's details, and once the form has been fully completed, an email with login details will be sent to your subcontractor so that they can log in and complete the relevant sections. You will only be able to fill in tasks that are relevant to your specific stand type, for example, shell scheme or space only. At the bottom of this page, you will also see useful guides and information. This section includes a breakdown of everything that your specific stand consists of. The next section you should complete is Exhibitor badges. This page will redirect you to our registration platform, Visit Create. You will be asked to register yourself and your team. Please note, when registering your team, there will be different options depending on the badge type that's required. If you or a team member will need access for the build-up day, show days and breakdown period after the show, the best option to choose is Exhibitor Representative when registering. You can also register any of your external contractors by selecting Contractor Ticket Type. Please keep in mind that a contractor badge, they will only be allowed to access the site for the build-up and breakdown periods, but not on the show days. When registering yourself, your colleagues or your contractors, please make sure you use a unique email address for each registration. It's important to fill in as much detail as possible, and when filling in the contact number, be sure to use the relevant dialing code at the start of the number. For instance, adding +44 prefix for a UK phone number. Following on from Exhibitor badges, you will see Timetable. The Timetable tab highlights the show's build-up, open and breakdown schedule. Please take note and share with your staff and contractors. Next, click onto Your Stand. The general build section will go into more detail about show processes and regulations. Your stand type will either be a shell scheme stand or a space-only stand, so please use the relevant stand type drop-down menu when seeking information about your show stand to avoid any confusion. The next section is Health and Safety. It is the policy of Hive as the event organiser to seek the cooperation of all concerned in order to achieve the highest standards of health and safety. This section of the Exhibitor manual covers all health and safety information you will need to know while on site at the NEC, from regulations during stand build-up and breakdown through to risk assessment forms and products that you want to have on your stand. Please read through the assessment section carefully and, if applicable to your products, fill in the necessary forms so that our operations team can assess any risks and help facilitate your request. If you have any questions, you can usually find any information that you require in General Information or Venue Information. You will find a list of FAQs as well as information on the location of offices on site, accessibility details, free parking areas, the shuttle bus schedule, badge scanning and insurance, and lots more information you may need about the NEC and the event. You will also find details about the traffic booking system partner, Voyage Control. Voyage Control is a separate platform, so you will need to log in if you already have an account or sign up in order to book a slot for your arrival and unloading at the show. There will be a deposit system which closes 2 days before the show, so you must book your slot before this time. You will be required to pay a deposit which will be fully refundable as long as you stay within the designated time slot you have booked. If you need to extend your slot or amend the time, you can let your hall manager know or the organisers know, and they will do their best to accommodate your request. If you can't find what you're looking for, you can click on Contacts. Here you'll find a number of different contact details for various teams you may need to get hold of. Please also feel free to contact me as your client engagement manager or the operations team with any queries. We can all be reached by emailing exhibitor@springfair.com, and we'll be very happy to try and help. For other useful information, such as our Exhibitor Code of Conduct and our support information, please click on the last two tabs. We hope this exhibitor manual ensures that your preparation for the show goes as smoothly as possible. By following each section, you'll have everything you need for a successful show experience. Remember, our team is here to help every step of the way, so don't hesitate to reach out with any question, big or small. Thank you for listening. We look forward to seeing you at the show.